Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to show you how to sign up for FreshDirect. If you don't have FreshDirect account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. Once you click on the link, you will see a page like this. At the upper right part, you will see an option for sign in or create account. Click on sign in or create account. In creating an account, you may use a phone number or email address. In this case, we'll sign up using an email. Enter it on the field provided. Then click on Continue. You will then receive a verification code. Enter it on the field provided. Then click on Continue. Now your account has been created. Click on the Start Shopping button to proceed. Next, scroll and add to cart all the items you wish to buy. After that, click on the shopping bag icon at the top right part of the page. Then the list of items will appear. To proceed, click on the Checkout button. Now, select your delivery address. Then choose a time slot for delivery or pickup. Once done, click on the Checkout button. Next, select a payment method. Then enter all the required information. After entering, click on the Add Payment Method button. If you chose delivery, you could also give a tip your delivery rider. But it's optional. Lastly, if everything's good, click on Place Order. That's how you sign up for FreshDirect. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.